Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an enterprise-wide business management suite designed to address the modern challenges of a manufacturing company. CloudSuite Industrial delivers the speed, agility, and visibility to drive both your top-line sales and bottom-line profits. Let's take a look at a day in the life of a typical manufacturing company. Progressive Industries is an industrial machinery and equipment company that manufactures, sells, and services configured forklifts. In this video series, we will review the day in the life of several people across Progressive's company. One of our executives, Cole Randall, will be visiting a customer tomorrow and wants to make sure he is prepared. The team at Progressive will use Infor CloudSuite Industrial to manage their day-to-day job and gain visibility into their business and collaborate with each other. In part 4 of this video series, we will focus on Kirk Taylor, the production supervisor at Progressive. As a busy operations manager, Kirk requires easy access of timely information about his business, his customers, and the shop floor. Kirk also needs to be able to quickly and easily collaborate with fellow employees. Let's take a look at how Kirk utilizes CloudSuite Industrial to manage the operations at Progressive. Kirk starts his day on his homepage, which gives him visibility across the company and allows him to collaborate with fellow employees and get notified on the status of information by following objects such as items or production jobs. As a production manager, Kirk is always trying to meet the promises customer service and sales makes to customers. Here, you can see that he has both a message from Cole in sales about a part for Stevenson Sporting Goods, as well as a message from Claire in customer service. Looking at the message from Claire attached the order in question, where she is asking Kirk to try and bring a job forward to meet the customer requests. Using this collaboration platform, Kirk can drill directly into the order in question, as Claire included the link to this order from her message. Nothing is lost in translation. Kirk goes directly into the production job in question. From here, he can go ahead and drill in and see what he can do to meet the customer's request. He can see that it's an order for a forklift, and Kirk can easily check the routing or bill of material information for more details. Kirk has instant visibility of all the details. Kirk recalls when it used to take hours or days or even weeks to get all of the routing and bill of material information synced correctly for configured items between sales and production. Since Progressive is using the rules-based Infor product configurator along with CloudSuite Industrial, all of the routing and bill of material information comes over directly as production is synced, and all the detail is captured right up front as part of the quoting and order entry process. Kirk can see all of the component information as soon as the order is taken and brought over into production. Kirk can see the customer wants a 5,000 capacity forklift. He can also see that they want a diesel tank and so on. Kirk has all of the information readily available at his fingertips. Kirk can also see the production job and bill detail using a graphical indented tree structure. Kirk sees that they are confirmed for December the 4th, but Claire wanted to know if he could bring the order forward. The CTP check shows that the 4th is still okay, but Kirk knows that he can get into some more of the planned detail. As a production supervisor, Kirk can drill into the details on how a particular job is scheduled. He can see that they are scheduled to finish the job on the 4th, but he knows he can pull this in a little sooner. He can go ahead and bring that forward a day or two and meet the customer's request. Kirk can simply go in and update the date on when they can start the job. While here, he also sees that he has some contextual information being pushed to him. You can see the little red dots next to the icons down the right-hand side of the screen. The first one's around some business intelligence. In this particular case, Kirk is being pushed a side-by-side analysis of the actual versus planned cost for this forklift. Actual is still at $0, which makes perfect sense because production hasn't started, so there are no costs reported against this job yet. This contextual information is available all across CloudSuite Industrial, making it easy for users to make decisions in real time as all relevant information they need is being pushed to them. They don't have to go hunt it down. Well, Kirk now needs to go update Claire. Kirk needs to send a message and reply to Claire that they can send out the job a day earlier. Now the information is updated and on its way to Claire, who can let the customer know. Kirk was able to reply to her directly from the message feed within CloudSuite Industrial's unique collaboration capability, which links all key stakeholders and all relevant information across the company. Now that Kirk has taken care of that message in detail for Claire, he can move on to the rest of his day managing the operations at Progressive. Using Kirk's Production Planner homepage, he can branch out into all aspects of his operations. He can drill into production, review capacity and schedules, and more. Looking at his resource group utilization, he can see utilization rates at 100% in some places, so he's for sure going to want to review some of that later on. He can also see the value of some of his top jobs, as well as see on-time job completion. CloudSuite Industrial delivers all the key information Kirk needs to efficiently run the operations at Progressive. In part 4 of this video series, we focused on Kirk Taylor, the production supervisor. Kirk was able to collaborate with key personnel in the company and easily visualize his operations to ensure on-time deliveries and maintain margins for his companies. In other videos in this series, you can learn more about how CloudSuite Industrial empowers the other users at Progressive Industries. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, visit infor.com.